saw this in my closet.
Yes, Thomas, huh, Bubba?
I told you this is with a box inside of a box.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
What?
Yeah, choo-choo. Get another toy.
Get another one, Beauty.
Kirsten, stop covering Bentley's toys up with your trash.
Here, Brittany, this one's yours.
I'll open mine later. I want to get through Bentley. Sit down.
He's shaking it.
Computer! Mama!
I know. Look at that. Now this doesn't hook up. Oh, you like the damn little thing more than you do the computer.
Come on, open it.
It got the batteries. It got the batteries.
I know, baby. I put them in there.
Open it.
That thing's cool. You can put your phone into it and hook your earphones in. And it's splash proof. So you can hook your phone around your neck while you're doing the dishes or screen protectors.